Welcome to our channel Food Hive and let's prepare something yummy.
Today we are going to prepare Veg Akhni or Pulses Pulao. Note down the ingredients needed. Take a deep pot or pressure cooker and add 4 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Then add 1 bay leaf and 2 cinnamon and saute for few seconds. Add 2 medium-sized sliced onions and fry until it gets golden brown. Now add 1 star anise, 3 cloves, 4 to 5 peppercorns and 3 teaspoon ginger-garlic paste. Saute for 30 seconds in medium flame. Now add 1 medium-sized potato and 1 cup pressure-cooked pulses or beans and mix them well. Add salt as per taste. Mix it. Add 1 cup water and green chili paste as per taste. Then stir it well. Cover and cook for 20 to 30 minutes till potato gets little soft. Add 1 chopped tomato and mix it well and cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now add 1 glass of water and 2 cups of rice that are washed and soaked for 10 minutes. Mix it well. And let gravy boil for a while and then cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Open the lid, add coriander and give it a mix. Let water reduce to 80%, then cover and simmer it for 20 to 30 minutes in low flame. Now your Veg Akhni or Pulses Pulao is ready to serve with onion, tomato, salad, lemon, raita and chutney.
Tell us in comments if you liked our recipes, and for more awesome recipes from Food Hive, please subscribe, like and share.